Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1960 Rambler. Now one thing you'll notice is that there's seems to be no tuning dial, so I thought I would look at my service manual to see the radio in its complete version, and well, it's the same thing. There's no tuning dial in my service manual either. So I don't know what they do for a tuning dial in the car, but that's not my problem because this is the way the radio comes. This comes from Dave in, looks like I'm going to have to get the James, Oklahoma possibly. That's not right. I'm going to have to do some research to figure out what the zip code is and what city is associated with that zip code. But Dave requested the FM conversion, still using only the built-in speaker, so we've managed to do that. And so we'll go ahead and turn it on AM first. I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area. And of course, since all we've got is a speaker, you'll just have to depend on my headset mic to pick up the sound. Okay, so we know the AM works. Let's go to FM, which we do by turning it off and on within half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just go all the way down the dial, stopping very briefly so we don't get nailed for copyright issues.
Experience the kingdom of heaven. If you're
by the overflow that comes out. FinleyToyotaFlagstaff.net, Northern Airport. One, we have rebuilt our Skechers store. Skechers.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the
Muskets. Yeah, muskets. They want muskets.
Place at Aspen Place in
Okay, and that's it. I wasn't counting, but we picked up quite a few FM stations here. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to my last video. This represents almost the end of a 21 marathon radio that I've been busting my butt over trying to get out. This is number 20. There's one more to go, then I can maybe take a rest for a while. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen how I can add FM to an old AM radio. This one actually uses a different type of knob than I find on most radios. This one actually uses a 1/4-inch D shaft knob, which I used to see on TV tuners a lot in some older home stereos. Thank you, Dave, for your business all the way from Oklahoma. Thank you guys for watching and listening. Once again, this is a radio out of a 1960 AMC Rambler, and my website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.